is not just a film today, it is a reflection of the society. Hence, it requires the characters to be more real and involved. This era of realistic and epitomized cinema is gifted with actors who not only enliven the spirits of the motion picture, but are so catchy and conclusive that they now live in the heart of its viewers. Due to their similar pragmatic approach in life, these actors remain registered on our minds and hearts, but without a name. Their roles in the movies are their only chosen imprints. If seeking for a sneak into their lives, this special report of NMF will let you have an impression of the lives of 4 different actors who you know but probably can't name. Most of us would just fill our eyes with glee and with much effort could only be able to recall him as Khatana Bhai. Kumud Mishra, who has keenly been interested in his life as a theatre artist and has remained to be subtly interested in his film career, still has recognition issues in terms of him coming public. The encouraging guy at the canteen in Rockstar, a motivating and hardworking Abba in the very recent favourite from the viewers, Sultan, or the pivotal government employee who rescued his nationites in airlift. Always in his roles has Kumud gone beyond extents to set an example of help, hostage and humanity. You also can recollect the awestruck fan moment to his role as a father to Sonam Kapoor in the movie Ranjana. The actor's initial encounter with the stage has been his days at the military school in Karnataka. It was then taken to theatrical shows in Bhopal and launching thereafter to the National School of Drama in the year 1990 to 1991. Despite of unfolding more than 10 chapters in the Indian film industry, Kumud Mishra has kept him grounded and active in the Prithvi theatres of Mumbai. Some other contributions in Bollywood are Filmistan, Girl in Yellow Boots, Revolver Rani, Badlapur and 1971. Every lad needs a friend like Murari, one who is selfless and can gulp away his friend's tears. Ranjana has built a rapport with its audiences that has raised the bars of friendship to a new height. Therefore, the actor Mohammad Zishan Ayub was chosen to depict this emotion. For his role in the movie, he was acclaimed by critics for being noticeably laudable. In one of his quite a few public appearances, Mohammad Zishan Ayub spoke of him being a Shah Rukh Khan fan and his never-dying love towards theatres. He credits his teacher from Kirori Mal College to initiate the talent inside him. Not stopping at this, he took his lessons seriously and enrolled for acting classes at the NSD, majorly influenced by his family who are all a part of theatre. Mohammad Zishan, who is extremely friendly and approachable, was once a part of the acting faculty in Delhi. He has mesmerized us with his masterpieces in the movies like Tanu Weds Manu, Shahid, Phantom, No One Killed Jessica, Mere Brother Ki Dulhan and many more. There can't be any who don't recognize Pappi Ji, but can you name him? His works have always escaped fame and public appearance. In fact, he is happy and comforted playing a good low-budget role as long as it quenches his thirst for acting. This actor is undoubtedly a boon to the Indian cinema. Deepak Dobriyal, the man behind the success of Tanu Weds Manu, Gulal, Omkara, Dabangg 2, Maqbool, Not a Love Story and many more yet to come, received his finishing lessons in learning skills of acting from the eminent Arvind Kaur in the year 1994. He has starred in many plays and theatres and low-budget films. He has been acknowledged by several critics' appreciations and awards, wherein Filmfare and Apsara Award for his role as Pappi Ji are the most important. The Indian cinema audiences owe their perpetual laughter and awestruck cinematic experiences to the actor. Had he not been here, you would have to fall sick to meet him. Vineet Kumar Singh, a resident of Varanasi and a medical student topper, would have been a doctor had he not been oozing that charm in Bollywood. From an enthusiastic academica to a brilliant writer and actor, Vineet Kumar Singh gained appraisals for his works like Gangs of Wasipur, City of Gold, Ugly, Bombay Talkies. His speciality and heart lies with the cult cinema and realistic concept. Keeping aside his medical career despite being a licensed practitioner, Vineet Singh came to Mumbai and enrolled for Superstar's Talent Hunt and met Mahesh Manjrekar. The actor's truth for his acting was cited, and welcomed by the film, television, and advertising industry. The star factor does not really call for super solid surname or an overly gifted gene. These actors who you know but probably cannot name are in every sense truest version of being an actor, an entertainer, a skilled man, and an admirable personality.